In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish and unpublish your project on Webflow. Whether you're just getting started or looking to tweak some live changes, understanding how to control your project's visibility is a key skill to master. So let's dive in and get started with these simple steps. First, open Webflow on your browser and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all your projects are neatly listed. Look through your list and click on the project you want to work with today. Being able to select the correct project is crucial, as you wouldn't want to accidentally work on the wrong one, especially if you're making live changes. Once you have your project page up, the next thing you'll need to do is go ahead and click on the Publish button. You should see this option at the top of the screen. Publishing your project means that any changes you've made will now be live on the web, visible to anyone who visits your site. It's an exciting moment, but it's important to double-check your work to ensure everything looks just right before you take this step. Sometimes, after clicking Publish, you may notice that it takes a bit of time to load. This is perfectly normal, especially if you have a lot of content or complex designs in your project. It can be tempting to grow impatient, but remember to wait patiently. Webflow is doing the heavy lifting, ensuring your project is pixel perfect when it goes live. While you're waiting, you might want to click around and make sure there aren't any last-minute changes you want to incorporate later on. After the project is successfully published, you might find yourself needing to unpublish it again for some reason. Maybe you spotted an error or need to put the site under maintenance. Whatever your reason, unpublishing is as simple as it gets. Look for the Unpublish button that appears in the same area where the Publish button was located. When you click this button, your project will be taken down from the web, ensuring that no one can see it until you decide it's ready again. Once you've clicked Unpublish, check to confirm that your project is not live. You can do this by trying to visit your site and seeing that it no longer appears publicly. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to both publish and unpublish projects on Webflow. By mastering these steps, you're well equipped to manage your digital presence efficiently and effectively. Remember, every time you publish, you're showcasing your hard work to the world. So take the time to ensure everything is exactly the way you want it before you hit that button. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.